Wow, look at this. Trilogy Lake Norman, Denver, NC, just outside of Charlotte. And when you drive in from the front gate, and it is a gated community, there are only two of the 55 plus, the big five, two are gated. And you come into this approach right up to the crest of this little ridge here, and then you look down, and the reveal is this amazing Twin Mills Club. And it looks like, the building that it was designed after, which is a Napa Valley winery. It's just very, very cool. Trilogy Lake Norman is nationwide. They're in a number of states, and they've come to the Carolinas, and we're so happy to have them here. And now it's not just a dream. You know, I remember when they were first clearing the land, I broke in the back entrance, and I was chased off trying to shoot a video. I was so eager to capture it. And so I've monitored it all the way along. Yesterday, had some folks in from Southern California. They're about 18 months out, and that's okay with me. Some agents don't want to do it that way. They don't want to wait a year and a half to get paid. I want to help people get the house of their dreams. So here is the Twin Mills Club, up close and personal. This is where the big meeting rooms are, and there was a meeting there yesterday, and the restaurant and Clark's Family Kitchen, the demonstration kitchen, the Crow's Nest there where they get play pool and shuffleboard on a board. This is the main entrance. There's a concierge right inside there, and then all the fitness stuff is over on this side. You know, the locker rooms, yesterday there was a spinning class, a lot of people working on their own machines. The indoor pool had a class, so it was very exciting. And these folks just got it, man. They just, like, you could see their face. Very personally satisfying to me for the light to go on and for what they've been studying from a distance, for them to put their boots on the ground and see it up close and personal. So I'm very confident they're going to be members of the beautiful Trilogy Lake Norman. We had a nice experience yesterday talking to Rob. Rob, he helps book the excursions, the outdoor adventures, and he's a full-time professional staff member, which is something that you don't get at the other 55 plus. Honestly, you have a full-time lifestyle director, but to have a guy like this, Rob, who could explain, hey, if you want to paddleboard or you want to go kayaking, we'll rent you a kayak. We'll send, he should pull up a big map of Lake Norman. We'll send you up here, get on a little cove where there's not jet skis and boats. He really knows his stuff. And speaking of lifestyle directors, I chatted with Trevor yesterday while I was having lunch at the Foundry. Oh yeah, at the Foundry. The only one with a really great restaurant in it is Trilogy Lake Norman. And Trevor was talking about, hey, we booked a trip to the Nashville during Christmas season. All right, so that's months away. Sold out in 9 minutes. They just got back from Savannah, Georgia, big, charter tour. They went to Italy last year, so a lot of great stuff. If you want an active adult lifestyle, they call it the good life. I know, right? I'll probably end up there, won't I? I know. My wife is retired now, so we're enjoying. Oh, by the way, there's a trail, lots of walking trails here. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. If you're thinking about relocating to the Carolinas, I'm licensed in North and South Carolina. Charlotte just sits right above the state line in North Carolina. But I can help you anywhere, and I love 55 plus, and I'm pretty good at it. And I enjoy it, and I enjoy helping people. So I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll get new videos. Ring the bell, because if you're actively looking for a house, you ring that bell, and videos like this will come up in your feed, and it can be quite helpful to you. So again, I can't wait to hear from you. I can't wait for you to go to rogerholloway.com and look for properties. Better yet, call me, let me send you properties, custom search, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.